Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, let's continue our journey and learn how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic Book 1, which you can get from our website, gatewaytoarabic.com. Now, in the previous lessons, we have covered alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, val, ra, za, sin, shin. Today, let's add another 6 letters, starting with letter sword. Sword. Look at the arrow, showing you the direction of your hand movement. Sword. Sword. Okay. And the next one is dod. Dod. Now, you see it's the same shape. Sword, no dot. Dod, 1 dot on top. Sword, dod. Sword, dot. Yes. Now, let me demonstrate for you how to formulate this sword and dot. Here we go. Have a look. Let's trace letter sword. Look at the way I'm starting. Clockwise. Go round and then drop the loop below the line and back up again. One more time. Look at the direction. That's corner and then drop it down below the line and back up again. That's letter sword. I'm going to do that now. Look at the way I'm starting that letter. Go direction, clockwise, then that's corner and then drop that below the line and back up again. The next letter dot, is the same as letter sword, plus dot on top. Look at the way I'm tracing this, it's the same movement. And then the dot. One more time. You start clockwise, that's corner, and then drop it down below the line and back up again, and then apply the dots. Let me write that for you as well. As you can see, it's the same shape as letter sword. Hand movement, clockwise, little corner, and then drop from that below the line, keep going, and then stop. Then apply the dots. Letter dot. Okay, now we've learned sword and dot. The next 2 letters are to, 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 to. Look at the arrow. The arrow is showing you that you write the base of the letter to first before you do the line on top of it, starting from top down. Don't start with the line. Okay? Letter to, to. And the letter is sitting on the line. To. Okay. The second, with the same shape, is tho. 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 Tho has 1 dot on top. So, to, no dot. Tho, 1 dot. To, tho. Okay. Here is the way you write, you formulate your to and tho. Look at my hand movement. Look at the way I start and follow the arrow and make sure that when you are writing this, the to and tho, they are sitting on the line. Here we go. Let's trace letter to. The base of letter to is similar to the base of sword and dot. Do the base first and then the line coming from top down. One more time. Do the base first clockwise, then the line coming from top down. Let me write that for you so it can be as clear as possible. Here we go. Clockwise, the base is in place, and then the line from top down. The next letter, Tho, is the same as To. Look at the way I'm tracing that. You see it's the same hand movement, and then you put the line top down, and then the dot. Always the dot is the last thing you do. Here we go. The line, and then dot. Let's write that as well. The base of Tho first. The base is in place. Now the line, and then dot. Letter Tho. To, Tho. Well done. So we've done for today so far sword, dod, to, Tho. 2 more letters for today. Starting with Ayn. Oh, this can be very challenging sometimes. Strangely. Ayn. Ayn. It's like a small c and capital C joined together. So Ayn. You can see the small c is sitting on the line, and then when you do the capital C is below the line. Ayn. Just look at the arrow. They are numbered, and I'll show you shortly how to formulate Ayn. Okay. The second in the group is Ghayn. Ghayn. So you want to say gay, but you gargle. Ghayn. Ghayn. It's the same shape as Ayn, but with 1 dot. So Ayn, no dot. Ghayn, 1 dot on top. Ayn, Ghayn. This is how to write your Ayn, Ghayn. Look at my hand movement writing this for you. Here we go. Let's trace letter Ayn. It's a small c on top of the line, and then big C coming below the line. One more time. Small c as a head on top, and then let's capital C, big one coming below the line. Letter Ayn. Let me write that for you now. You can see I'm going to put such as letter C, small one on top first, then the big one, capital one, coming below the line. Here we are. Ayn. Letter Ghayn is the same shape as letter Ayn plus the dot on top. Dot at the Ghayn. One more time. Do the shape first. Small c, capital C coming below the line, and then dot. The small c is sitting on the line, and then reverse to do the capital C coming below the line, and then apply the dots. Ghayn. Well done. We have accomplished today's 6 letters, and they are sword, dod, to, Tho, Ayn, Ghayn. Well done. Wow. We're nearly there. So, let's recap those letters that we have learned so far. So, I will write them. I'll pause before I say the name. See whether you can get them right. Yes. Let's start with Alif. Ba, ta, fa, jim, ha, kha, dal, ذال, را, za, sin, sheen, صاد ضاد طاء ظا عين غين. Well done. MashaAllah. Ahsantum. Well done. Here we are. Next time we're going to continue learning these letters and how to write them properly. Inshallah. Well done. Don't give up. Keep going. And please subscribe before you go. And send the link for me to those who might be interested in learning how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently. Well done. And before we go, I have a charity and it's called helpinghandsforeducation.org. Please help us. There's a link below. And click and make your donation, please. And thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I'm very grateful. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل سرورة إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.